There's Flash over there. You and this broccoli. Hi, babies. Watch the little brown one, Penelope's right at your feet. Come here, my little nuggets. Oh, my soul. What are you doing, little nuggets? Little bacon bits. Hello, little bacon bits. One's in the hay over here. Look. Hi, little bacon bit. Hi, little bacon bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 2. Hello, little bacon bits. Meow, Penelope. A little dark winged duck. Hi, babies. Hi, my little babies. So these guys are what? How old?
4 days.
4 days old. 4 days old. Hello, little babies. Mom's tired tonight, isn't she? There's the little runt right there.
They were all feeding and I come in and then when she heard me, she
Hi, little baby. Hello. Hello, little ones. Hello, little ones. Hello, little ones. Hello. Hello, my curious little bacon bits. Wow. Wow.
That's the front.
Yeah, it's a runt.
There's Flash.
That's Flash. There's Boots over there.
Yep.
Hello, little runt. Hello. Hello, babies. Hello. Hello. He's so friendly already. So friendly already. There's Flash. Go, little guy. Girl. Go, Boots. Hi, babies. What are you guys doing to my pants? What? Here's Penelope. There she is. There she is. Oh my gosh, she's cute. Constant counting. Bonnie is an awesome mom.